The Sunday meal prep is actually happening on late Friday afternoon and Saturday. So I am making all of the things for a huge pot of red beans and rice, and also a big pot of broccoli and cheddar soup that I also added chicken to because I had that in the freezer. And the broccoli, this little chopper thing that has become my friend, it is no longer my friend. I will show you in a minute, but I built both of those up, the red beans and rice and the broccoli and cheddar soup, which I've never made before, and actually turned out so good. But I'm trying to restock our freezer, so I'm making things that freeze really, 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 really well. This is the vitamins that I got for Bo and me to start the 14-day reboot, metabolic reboot for next week. On Monday, I'm just putting together breakfast quesadillas. They're mini quesadillas because I had these tortillas already from a previous meal prep that I didn't use a whole pack of them. And rather than them go bad, I'm using them to my advantage. So I'm just basically pressing them. Bo's going to have two each morning because they're tiny. Andy is going to have one. I made cornbread to go with the red beans and rice. They were pretty happy about that. And here I'm just wrapping these up. These are going to go into a clear container and they're going to sit in the fridge and they'll be able to grab them for breakfast. There they are. And now I'm doing finger sandwiches. These will be able to go in snackle boxes or just when they want to grab something. It's very easy if they're already pre-made. And there's damp paper towels that are going on top of them to keep them fresh, then they are more likely to make a sandwich. Oh, look. That would be why me and the chopper are not good friends anymore. Uh, it absolutely sliced my thumb. I didn't see it in the sink because the kitchen's a disaster from all the meal prep. And this is Dr. Bo doctoring me up, and he said that the cut made his crotch hurt. Uh, when he when he saw it, so he's doctoring it up, and then he gives it a kiss. It was awesome. Andy has cheer comp tomorrow on Sunday. That's why I meal prep today. It's gonna be a great week, y'all.